So friends, we are finally in the taxi on our way towards the Kartarpur corridor. This is our driver who is driving us over there, and you see the weather here on the way. It's very foggy over here. That's why I started driving late from my hotel room. Right now we are driving through some villages which are coming across our way. So friends, we are almost about to reach the Indian side of this Kartarpur corridor. This is the view outside. So this is the view of the gate from where we are entering for the Kartarpur corridor. I think we are very close to it, although I'm not very sure about it, but this probably is the last village before we actually reach the destination. This is the view of the area nearby the Kartarpur corridor. So I think we are pretty close. That's what is written there, Dera Baba Nanak. It's the way which is going very close to the corridor now. We will see here written Kartarpur corridor written over here. We are approaching closer and closer. So this comes in Pakistan, and I'm going to be officially visiting Pakistan for the very first time, and I'm pretty excited and happy about it. So you can see the board written over there, Kartarpur Sahib written over here. So finally we are closing in. It's the Indian flag, so we are on the Indian side right now. So we are parking the taxi over here. So unfortunately, because of the weather, I'm little late, guys. Let us see. So this is the outside view written here, Kartarpur corridor. 35
फोन नंबर बोलियो
488.
ਵਧੀਆ ਭਾਈ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਹਾਂਜੀ ਹਾਂਜੀ ਬੋਲੋ ਹਾਂਜੀ
Just got my polio dose actually. Give me the polio dose. So finally, officially, I am visiting Pakistan. So as you can see here, the flags of Pakistan displayed over here. So I am officially in the country Pakistan. This is the border. So finally, I am in the Pakistan side of the corridor. So right now I am driving on my way. See here. So this is the flag of Pakistan displaying over here. So right now I am heading towards the immigration of Pakistan, guys. So as you can see, there are people waiting over there already. So I think I will have to take some currency. So I'm here at the currency exchange bar in the Pakistan side. So this currency is issued probably by National Bank of Pakistan. This currency with exchange.
इसमें कुछ भी बचा नहीं है हमारे पास।
So guys, I exchanged the $100 Pakistani Indian rupees with Pakistani currency. So for 100 rupees I got 180 Pakistani rupees. So these are all the notes that he gave me. So you can see here. And since I already have the $20 US note, so that part of the formality will, for that I didn't need the dollars from there, so I just took the Pakistani currency in case I want to buy something inside. So dollar.
पासपोर्ट दे दे।
ये फीस है क्या सर?
अकेले ही हो ना?
हाँ अकेला ही हूँ सर।
पासपोर्ट में से दूसरा विशेष पत्र है।
ये ओल्ड पासपोर्ट है, वो रिकॉर्ड के लिए साथ में रखा है इन केस मांगा तो। काफ़ी अच्छा लग रहा है सर आके।
आप लोगों के लिए सब कुछ
कभी इमेजिन नहीं किया था आप आएंगे।
अपन आगे जाएंगे आपको मज़ीद अच्छा लगेगा।
हाँ शुक्रिया। So this is what I got from the National Bank of Pakistan after exchanging the $20. And so this is my permit to enter inside this Kartarpur corridor. So this is the Gurudwara, Kartarpur corridor Gurudwara. I am entering inside. These are the soldiers from Pakistan side. So इधर से entry. So now I'm going inside. I'm going to do security check here. So this, you can see the flag of Pakistan over here. This is the view right on the border. Currently we are, and he's going to probably drive us. इसमें जाना है?
इधर बैठो आगे।
So they have taken us in the trolley, and they will be driving us in. So this is the Yatri pass which I got at the end of the immigration in Pakistan side. So finally driving towards the Gurudwara in Pakistan side. रोज इतने ही लोग होते हैं यहाँ से? लोग कम है आज। हाँ सुबह ज़्यादा होते हैं, सुबह धुंध थी ना इसलिए बहुत धुंध थी आज। So I was just talking to this person from Pakistan. Flag of Pakistan over there. So there are flags of Pakistan on the every of the building. These are all the visuals from inside Pakistan. So we can already see the Gurudwara, which is located in Pakistan, and it's about 6 kilometers inside the border from India. So guys, it's not believable that I'm actually wandering in Pakistan, but it has been made possible by the ministers of both the countries, and thanks to both the country ministers. So right now I am inside this Kartarpur Sahib, big and huge Gurudwara over here. You see the big hallway and the big Gurudwara view. It's a beautiful inside view, the Gurudwara. So let us see the premises around these guys. So this looks like the biggest of the Gurudwara part. I'm just moving around the inside part of this holy place. So let me show you some places around over here. And there is a place Devan Asthan, which is right opposite me. This is another important place here, and this is actually a sword which is in the memory of the inauguration ceremony, and which was done by Mr. Imran Khan, who is the Prime Minister of Pakistan. So this is the view of the Pakistan. and pretty much inside the border. Actually, it's 6 kilometer, and this is the view of the whole Kartarpur corridor. So, guys, now heading towards the langar to have some prasad. नहीं कहाँ से, पाकिस्तान से कहाँ से?
नारवाल से
कितना दूर है यहाँ
इधर से 15-16 किलोमीटर है।
से? अच्छा, बहुत खुशी है आपसे मिलके।
कोई बात नहीं, हमें भी आपसे खुशी है मिलके। चलाएं
हाँ, हम
फर्स्ट टाइम आए आप इधर?
हमें फर्स्ट टाइम आया हूँ। मतलब कोई सब्जेक्ट पढ़ते हो?
हाँ, बायो वगैरह।
बायो वगैरह?
जी, मेडिकल।
मेडिकल?
जी,
मैंने पीएचडी किया हुआ है
माशाल्लाह।
केमिस्ट्री में।
जी,
मैंने वो यूएसए से किया है।
करते हैं ना फिर उसका अली बाबा पे मैनुफैक्चर क्लॉथ भी बनाते हैं,
अच्छा
तो
अच्छा
सेल करते हैं बाहर कंट्री में।
अच्छा।
जी, तो ऐसे ही है बस।
से दिल्ली में जैसे मार्केट रहता है वगैरह।
जी जी, ऐसे ही होगा।
बहुत अच्छा लगा। सो इट वाज अ वंडरफुल एक्सपीरियंस ओवर हियर। Great ambience. The weather is also very nice, cool and breezy today. And I had a good prasad in the langar, and feeling really good about visiting Pakistan and meeting people from Pakistan and actually talking with them. It was a very nice feeling for me. So, leaving the place with really good memories here. We really happy to be here. I was planning to visit here for a long time, and I finally got to come here. It was a really great feeling. Thank you. आपका नाम क्या है? कासिम। आप कहाँ से हो? वो वहाँ, ये शायद नज़दीक है यहाँ से ना, काफ़ी लोग वहाँ से हैं। ठीक है, अच्छा लगा आपसे मिलके। So just entered outside the building now finally, and leaving from here. So it was a great feeling. Hello friends, so finally I am leaving after darshan here at the Kartarpur Sahib in the Pakistan side. Right now I am in the bus, and this is going to take us to the immigration point in India, or the border point, and from there I will go outside Pakistan and then enter the Indian territory. So I hope you guys enjoyed whatever experience I shared with you guys while visiting the Kartarpur corridor on Kartarpur side in the Pakistan, and the experience of visiting Pakistan as an Indian, which was not possible before this corridor was open. So that feeling itself was really an exciting, and finally we are leaving back towards the Indian side. So it's almost evening here, and so about to reach the immigration terminal again. Thank you. Finally, I am leaving, and I am here at the India-Pakistan border. This is the place right at the India-Pakistan border I am standing at right now, and I am leaving from here. So just came out of the India-Pakistan border, and right now I'm in the Indian border. I was standing right there, which is the Pakistan border. So the dream of visiting this place has finally been completed, and so after clearing the immigration, which was kind of little bit frightening for me, I'm out from the Indian side of this Kartar Sahib corridor, Dera Baba Nanak. Finally leaving from here, and it was a great time to be staying here for almost 4 hours. So finally out of the Indian border also, and on our way back to Amritsar. It was really an awesome experience here at Kartarpur corridor, and I must say I am really happy. So now driving back to home, thanks to uncle who has been patient enough, because when I went inside and I stayed for 3 hours, they were waiting for me outside. Hello friends, from the evening time here in Amritsar. Right now I am going towards Golden Temple at the night. So let's go and check out the Golden Temple. There is a lot of buzz out here and a lot of people walking over the street. The weather is really nice. It's a bit cold but refreshing as well, and we are walking further closer to. As you can see the light effect here on this sculpture in the center of this square. Looks like there is still a bit more walk before we reach the temple. So we are just enjoying the view nearby. We heard that the night view of the temple is really spectacular. It's around 8 o'clock at night, and still there are a lot of people here walking around. A lot of beautiful shops nearby. So after walking a bit, we are now at this next square where you can already see the part of the temple. So if you can see, it's right there, the temple having this golden roofing on it. That's why it is called Golden Temple. So we are already very near to it. So it's right behind me, the temple, and we are pretty close to it right now, and going a little more further, we are going to have some food here in the langar, and this view is really cool and nice. You can already see it here. Now I am standing right opposite to the temple. So you see, it's a beautiful view here. So this is again the surrounding view of this temple, beautiful temple, as you can already see this. So after you come here guys, you have to put your shoes here. This is a place where you have to put your shoes before you go inside the temple. I'm putting my shoes here and put the shoes, collect the token, and then you need to walk inside barefoot. So that's what I'm going to do right now. So just put my shoes over there, and now I'm going to walk barefoot inside the temple. I already showed you the outside view, so let's walk inside now. There's a long queue of people here waiting to go inside. So guys, just entered inside and I'm going to show you the magnificent view of this beautiful. So here it is. And see the beautiful view of the temple. So unfortunately it is shining too bright guys to look clear, but you can still see how beautiful it is, the inside view of the golden temple here, and this is the view of the surrounding. The surrounding of this temple is so nice. So just finished the darshan part, and since the cameras were not allowed inside, couldn't show you inside, but now I'm heading towards the langar. So we are right now outside. So there are a lot of people sleeping here also. So the people who cannot afford to stay somewhere, they can sleep here. So that's also a good part of this temple. So we are heading towards the langar. We are going to have our food here. Just collected my plate and walking inside. So got the seat here to sit. Going to have the langar. You can see a lot of people already. gathered here. It's really, really huge. And the food is being served. Let's have the prasad. Food is really very nice, tasty. It's very simple, basic food, but it tastes really good. So every day about 1.6 lakh people eat food over here. So that's kind of a record in itself. आप कहाँ से हो तो? आप कहाँ से हो? यहीं से हो प्रॉपर? तो यहाँ लोग कितने लोग खाना खाते हैं रोज़ अराउंड? 1.5 लाख, मैंने सुना है 1.5 लाख के अराउंड खाते हैं। आपका हॉस्टल कितने साल से है इधर?
ये तो सर काफ़ी पुराना है।
पंजाबी विच बोलो।
अच्छा मैं पंजाबी मैंने तो ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕਰਕੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ हिंदी आ गई।
हाँ,
मुझे भी हिंदी आ चुकी है अब तो। ये हमारा हॉस्टल मैक्सिमम 15-20 साल तो हो चुका है।
अच्छा।
काफ़ी ओल्ड है।
ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਚ ਗੱਲ ਕਰੋ।
ਮੈਂ ਆਪ ਯਾਰ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਇਦਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਆ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਆਪ ਹੁਣ ਤਾਂ ਹਿੰਦੀ ਆਦਤ ਪਈ ਹੈ ਜੀ ਭਾਈ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਤੇ ਮੈਂ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਗੱਲ
ਕੋਈ ਬਾਤ ਨਹੀਂ। ਹੈਲੋ ਕੀ ਹਾਲ ਜੀ?
Now today I am leaving to see the places around here in Amritsar. I am on my way. Probably I will go to the Jallianwala Bagh, where there was a massacre of thousands of people. So just walking on the street with pleasant cold weather of the early morning here. Right now I'm at this square. There is this place called Partition Museum, so probably they have the stuff in the museum from the time of the partition. So guys, it's pretty cold out here, so you can see I have covered my head. This is the Partition Museum, which we are heading in right now. We will have to probably buy a ticket somewhere and then go inside. Where ticket किधर है? Ticket? So you can see this looks like a building from close to the independence era. Actually it should be well before the independence era. So we are heading into this building now. And I am going to first buy the ticket inside. So there is this fountain over here. There is a statue, and that's the entrance. That I am heading into. I'm hoping that there will be some things from the partition era, and should be exciting, I'm hoping. So this is the view inside once you enter. And right now I'm heading towards the ticket counter, which is right here. Ticket counter. So just bought this ticket for entry. So guys, just came out of the museum, partition museum, because they were not allowing the cameras, so could not show inside the museum. However, we are just looking at the surrounding view of the partition museum here. This is actually a hop and hop off bus for the tourism in Amritsar, so that it can take you to different locations, different sightseeing locations of the city, if you prefer to plan to go through this. So now we are heading to the next destination, which is Jallianwala Bagh, and let's go there. So friends, finally after walking for a while, we are close to the Jallianwala Bagh. So finally we have arrived here at the Jallianwala Bagh, people, and we are going to walk inside this and see that. Entering the place now. Just entered here inside, and this is how the interior of this Jallianwala Bagh looks like. So you can see here it's written the officer who did the firing and killed all those freedom fighters. So guys, this right now we are in the backside of that place where all the freedom fighters were shot, and I'm going closer towards it right now. So this is that place. So probably on the front side there are the gunshots. So that's there. So the white part squares where are the gunshots of the firings that were done. These are the white shots are the firings that were done by the British officer. So you can imagine the harshness of the incidents, people. So if you see one of them. Now I'm walking towards the other wall where the same type of firing was done. So let's see over there. So we are reaching close to it. So I can show you here. So you can see here the wall. The spots of the gunshots where these firings were done. So the ones in the white squares are the gunshots that were done. And we are now walking towards the next spot here in this memorial part. This is probably a monument which just built in the memory of the freedom fighters. And so then there is this next place here which is called Shahidi Well. So this is that well in which threw their lives away those innocent people. So now heading towards this place where this Amar Jyoti is being continually flame in the memory of all the people who had to sacrifice their life. Shops outside the Jallianwala Bagh, and we're on our way towards the Golden Temple. So finally we are done watching most of this Jallianwala Bagh memorial, and we are now living outside. So hope you guys enjoyed. So we are here for taking the stop here for some lassi here. So this lassi here in Amritsar is pretty famous, and this is the lassi shop. Check out how it is. It's pretty nice. Very nice lassi, and once you come in Amritsar, you should definitely try the lassi. It's really yummy and it's really tasty. He is making milk over there. This is his lassi shop. There's a lot of curd there from which he is making the lassi. So you can see the market around here on the way. Towards Golden Temple. So the beautiful street views here.
शाम को गाड़ी आएगी 2 बजे भागा पर।
Now just entering in the premises of the temple here. Just loving the atmosphere here. It's winter time, bit cold, very soothing music in the background, and keep going and keep walking. Everything is really nice over here. So this is the premise inside and surrounding the temple. Just had the prasad now and heading towards the golden temple view in the morning time. So you can see now I am closer to it. So that's the view of the golden temple. It's right behind me. So this is the inside view of the golden temple live. See how beautiful it is looking from inside, and this is the view of the market. It's the early morning view of the market over here. So we are pretty much out of the golden temple area. People, we are walking through the market area surrounding the temple, and now we are heading towards where we are going to catch some transport for going to Wagah border. So right now I am in the part of the city which from where we are catching our taxi for Wagah border. So you see a lot of pigeons over here. So we are on our way to Wagah border, and we have stopped here at a dhaba to eat some naan and a tea. So I am just looking at how this naan is being made here in Punjab. UK is making them. See the way the naan is being made, quick and fast.
ਕਰਦੇ ਪਹਿਲੇ 4 ਰੋਟੀ ਲਾ ਦੇ ਮੱਕੀ ਦੀ 4 ਰੋਟੀ ਮੱਕੀ ਤੋਂ ਪਾਪੜ ਦੋ ਨਾਲ ਪਾਪੜ ਅੰਦਰ ਹੀ ਪਾਈ
Ali pनीर का
So the dough is spread using the hands only, and then he put that in this oven which is made up of sand inside. He sticks them inside and then let them bake for a few minutes and then stick it out like this, and then finally they put some ghee on it. You'll see that right now. See, you just put the ghee on it and then the naan is ready. So friends, now we are walking towards the border, the Wagah border, and we are going to see the ceremony performed by the Indian and Pakistani soldiers. So we are on the way towards the Wagah border. So this is the entrance we are approaching towards. So this is the area of the border. This is called as Attari border actually. So coming closer and closer. So this ceremony actually goes every day at 4 p.m. in the evening, and it goes from 4 to 5 p.m. So it's around 3:45. We have reached here, and we should be making up there in time. And after reaching there, we'll enjoy the parade. So I'm showing you the area before we enter here inside. So you can see the area. This is the area before we approach the exact point of the border. This is actually our last spot for our visit in Amritsar, and I hope whatever spots I showed you guys, you liked it. There is an option for car parking over here, and all kinds of transport mediums are coming over here, be it auto rickshaws, taxis, buses. People are walking over here also. Here is a queue of people waiting to be entered inside. Everyone has to go through security checkup before they can enter. So after the security checkup, we have entered here inside to watch the ceremony finally. There are a lot of people here already, and I hope we get the seat to sit there. So we have finally arrived here, and we are about to this is the view surrounding the border, just near the border. So we are now almost here. You can hear the loud music also, guys. So we are entering from the non-booking side, guys, since we did not book any reservation. So we will have to climb the stairs, and we'll be watching the ceremony from upstairs.